Want to upgrade your hosting plan in Hostinger? In this video, I'll guide you through the process in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Start by opening your browser and navigating to hostinger.com. Once you're logged in, head to the Websites section in your account and select the domain or hosting plan you wish to manage. This will take you to the dashboard. In the new menu panel, click on Hosting Plan to access the upgrade option. You can also find the Upgrade button right next to the WordPress Admin button in your dashboard. When you click on the Upgrade option, your plan page will open, allowing you to choose from various available plans. For instance, you'll see an option labeled Upgrade to on the right side. On the left, your current plan will be displayed. If you want to upgrade to, let's say, Cloud Startup, simply select it from the drop-down box. Finally, make the payment, and you're all set. And if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. That's how you can upgrade your Hostinger plan. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.